Hi guys, this is Kelly from allnaturalcleaningproducts.com. Today we are reviewing Force of Nature, an inexpensive appliance that creates a natural cleaning fluid and disinfectant. This amazing appliance turns tap water plus a pre-made capsule of salt, water, vinegar into a powerful cleaner and disinfectant that is gentle and safe. Through the process of electrolysis, it converts these natural ingredients into a cleaner, degreaser, and a deodorizer that is just as effective as bleach. Force of Nature is on the EPA's list of disinfectants for use against SARS-CoV-2, the cause of COVID-19. Stay tuned to watch a full demo of the product.
This is how we make Force of Nature an all-natural cleaner. You need to use water that's not hard, so I'm using just some spring water. You want to fill it to the fill line. It's almost there. There we go. And then we have these little pre-made capsules. We just twist them off. And I'm gonna dump it in here. I gotta wait 10 seconds after I dump it before I turn the machine on. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It starts blue, but it's eventually going to change color. You can see the solution's being made right now. Okay, we're back on, and it's been about 9 minutes, and the light has turned from the original blue color to green color. So now the process is basically done. Turning it off. Force of Nature bottle that comes with the package. And this should be good for 2 weeks. And now I'm gonna unplug the unit, disconnect it from the back. It's a little gasket here.